Good morning, children. All are welcome to today's math section. In our last class, we discussed about different types of solid shapes. The faces, edges, and vertices we discussed in the last class. Today, let us learn more about symmetry. Children, do you know what is meant by symmetry? Okay, I will explain this concept by using some pictures. Then look at the first picture of bug. See children, this bug picture I cut by using one dotted line. See, the dotted line divides the bug into two parts that are exactly the same. Isn't it? Yes, this one is the first part, this one is the second part. Are they looking same? Yes, both parts are looking same. That means this dotted line cut the picture or cut the bug into exactly same. Okay. So such type of figures is called symmetrical. Okay. And the line that divides a symmetrical figure into two parts that are exactly same is called the line of symmetry. Okay, the line that divides a symmetrical figure into two parts that are exactly same is called line of symmetry. I will give some more example. See the circle. Now I cut this circle into two parts by using a red line. See children. Now the circle cut into two parts. Are they looking same? Yes. The first part is exactly looking same with second part. So we can say that this one is a symmetrical circle or this one is a symmetrical figure. And the line that divides this symmetrical figure into two parts is called line of symmetry. Okay, so this red line is called line of symmetry. Okay, then I will give few more examples. Look at the picture. This is your textbook exercise on page number 16. So children, now I explain all these questions. After that, you can do the same in your textbook. See what is the question. Is the dotted line a line of symmetry? Put a tick if it is and a cross if it is not a line of symmetry. Okay, so let us start with our first question. See question number A. Is it is line of symmetry? Yes, first one is line of symmetry because this dotted line split the rectangle into equal parts. Then second one, is the red line is a line of symmetry? Yes, second one also a line of symmetry. So you can put a tick mark on the second figure. Then third one, is it is right? No. This line not cut the picture into equal parts. Okay, these two parts are not equal and it is not a line of symmetry. And the question number 4, this dotted line is a line of symmetry. So you can put a tick mark. Question number 5, B. This one is not a line of symmetry because it does not cut the letter B into equal parts. That is the exact same parts. And question number 6. This one is line of symmetry. Then G. Is it line of symmetry? No. This one is not line of symmetry. The next one. Is that line of symmetry? Yes. This one is line of symmetry. Okay children. Do you get the concept? Okay. Very good. See the next question. Draw one line of symmetry on each of these pictures. Okay. So let us start to draw a line on each picture. Okay. How to draw the line? Yes. You have to draw the line to cut the picture into two equal halves. Okay. The parts will be same. So let us start to draw. Look at the first star. Now I am drawing one line. See, is it is equal? Yes. Then second one, you can draw one line at the center. Okay, then third one, draw a line at the center, and fourth one is a tree. You can draw one line to cut into two equal parts. Clear? Okay. So now I believe you all understood what is meant by this symmetry and how to draw a line of symmetry. Isn't it? Okay. So please do your exercise on page number 60. Then take a snaps and send into sgpsol3ans@gmail.com. Okay. Then see you again with another topic. Say interesting topic, that is patterns. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you.